No.
We'll try if you want.
No, don't.
Don't record this section.
I'm recording the edge of the rod, I swear. You can look here.
Yeah?
Edge of your rod. Meaning, it checks how you cross and everything.
I'm looking for a catfish bite. Like the world's record bite.
Try dollar
I
floats.
need to pick that up, please. Nope. The lid's going off, okay? You just fuck that. I'm leaving it. You can put it up your ass and eat it.
Yes. You do know I'm sending this to no one, right?
We gaan het. Hier is mijn Andrew se dammetjie. Sover dat ons niks sal vang nie, as ek 'n vis vang, dan gaan ek sy koetjie nie gebyt dan. Maak ek hom dood en dan dan as ons nog 'n bobber vang, dan gooi ek hom teen daai boom. Ons try Andrew se vissokke sal in. Ek gaan nou soek vir 'n byt, 'n lekker byt. Kom ons kyk, hierso is peach. Peach. Ja, kom ons try die world record in. Want ek het dit gesien toe dink ek, "Jesus, dit moet seker baie sterk wees." So, ek try dit.
Let's kyk.
Ons gaan pink mielies gebruik. As ek enigiets vang, daarin. So, ons gaan garlic gebruik. Garlic is goed. Garlic is soos om Goliath dood te maak.
Other one.
Ja, hierso. Garlic. Moes kyk en ons 'n water vang. En dan sit ek die water op iemand se gat. En dan gaan Andrew my toe vat en dan sit ons sommer in my dammetjie daar buite. In my swembad. Weet jy? Dan wanneer we daai bytjie, dan kan ek dingetjie gebruik. Ja, ek wil hierdie lekker dik maak. Dat dit lekker dik is hier. Laat die water lekker kan ruik. Van 'n ver distance af. So dan ruik jy dit dan weet dit is kos. Aan die ander kant van die dam. Wel, ons hoef nie te worry oor dis hoor.
No freaking way. I guess I collided.
Yep. I'm just gonna put it on.
Ouch. Ouch, poor one. Just got skewered.
Eh?
Yeah, this will be blurred out later.
Ja, is okay. Just
You see here, viewers, he's a maniac. One moment. You don't sound awesome. Don't. Go look at that hole I made there with my sinker.
Huh?
Trust me, go look at that hole.
What hole?
That hole I made with my sinker over there. Please. Wait, let me see.
Man.
Come on, hello. One spray won't hurt. Fuck.
Yeah, that's one spray.
I didn't hit the worm. Come on. Damn, that was far.
Okay, so nou los ons om. As jy nog iets vang dan ja, ons gaan maar bietjies. Hierdie Pietie, weet jy wat hy gaan wil vang nie? Ek gaan maar my bassie kry hierso. Genoem ek het hierdie al baie jare gehad. Hierdie het ons sy gat gesien in die dam, maar ons draai. Verstors, moet kyk as jy dat nie vang.
I'm gonna zoom out a bit. Here.
So, ja, as jy kan sien, ons draai klein.
Whoa, slow down. You can't record everything.
Wel ja, as jy dit nou kan sien, gaan hom lekker ver uitkast. Nee, want jy kan sien hierso waar die lyne is waar dit vlak is, maar waar dit afgaan is waar dit diep is, né? So nou draai ons lekker. Sien jy daai lyntjies daar is baie. Maar ons draai ek draai nou bes gaan. Moet ons kyk wat ons kan vang. Ongelukkig gaan ons hierdie verander. Want ja, die bessetjie nou daai tipe wurmpie nie. So kom ons kyk wat daar is.
Kan jy moer? Nee.
Okay, so ons het hierdie klein kak.
Let me see.
Hierdie
Close up.
Hierdie vis het ek al baie bes mee gevang. So, Wat ons gaan doen?
You do not record that you saying, right?
There?
You do.
Shut up. Okay, so we put, see, this is for people who
I'm recording.
niks ten goed op because they don't know how to put a hook through the poepel. So how we do this is we hook
Oh,
them
wow.
through the mouth, okay? Then
Dude, I'm right now trying to get it.
we get them there and a mommy. Okay, then we turn them around and then we put them through his ass.
Yabba dabba doo.
Then we, no, it's wrong one. Wait, we just
Everyone, he is failing.
okay. As you can see, the fishy is on. So now
And also is getting distracted.
we need to put through the back. Sorry guys, we cannot put it through the fuffenhole because it's not made for that. It's through the fucking back. Oh, you know what? Don't worry. Okay, so we